Hi guys, this is one of my solar cats. Originally this one was battery powered, but I did a very simple conversion and stuck a solar panel on the back of it. What I'm going to do today is take the solar panel off and put a couple of crocodile clips on the end of the wire, or maybe even replace that wire, because I want to do some more fruit and veg experiments. Tried the pulse motor with the pineapple and it ran for about 35 minutes, but I think there's still plenty of power in the pineapple, just not enough to run the pulse motor for any length of time. So I'm going to put a solar panel back on there, so it's running off a solar panel, and use the pineapple for the cat. And if that works, I may actually use some other fruit and veg, being as I seem to have got into a bit of a series doing this. And of course the sun has gone in as soon as I've converted that one to solar power. But it looks like there's enough to keep it going. All the others are okay. So that looks happy. And now the cat is running off the pineapple. That's only a temporary thing. I don't intend to leave the cat on the pineapple. We've already got the witch on a pineapple. I just wanted to demonstrate that there was still power in that pineapple, just not the right sort of power for the pulse motor. So we'll probably be doing, I've had a special request for an onion, so that's probably the next thing we'll try, an onion powered cat. While we're on the subject of vegetables and fruit, the solar snowman on the potatoes, those potatoes are really looking pretty awful. He is still just going. He has little sessions where he goes faster and slower, and occasionally I give the electrodes a bit of a move around in there to get the juices flowing. And then the banana powered clock, that's crazy, that is. Look at the state of that banana. And it's still running. I'm just going to move the electrodes to a different position in the potatoes. Just thought I'd show you the state they're in. They're dry at the moment. So I'll just poke new holes in the potatoes and push them back in again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.